Čaute, tu je Kelbeš, pokračujeme v hraní Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines. A máme tu quest odstrániť Gargoyla, ktorý je v tomto divadle. Prípadne ho teda presvedčiť, aby sa pridal na stranu hollywoodského baróna Izáka. Viem, že s týmto questom nejako súvisí tremerský regent Strauss. Skúsim ísť priamo za ním a spýtať sa ho, tohto Gargoyla, či to bude možné.
Hop in.
Myslím, že týmto smerom to predsa len nebude. Jasné, tu už je to parkovisko, ale keď už sme tu, môžeme sa pozrieť do Confession a mali by sme už dostať podľa mňa nejakú tú splátku za to, že sme spoluvlastníkmi klubu. Moje obľúbené dvere. Jasné.
Money, right? Been a while. Your money's been piling up. Here, that should provide for an interesting evening.
625. No a môžeme vyskúšať aj nejakú presvedčovaciu taktiku.
I stopped exploring the basement back in high school. Get lost.
OK, to nevyšlo. Zase nechcem márniť veľa skúsenostných bodov do zvádzania. Ono to nie je až taká dôležitá vec. Je to síce fajn mať takto dostupné v podstate lekárničky na požiadanie, ale nie je to až také dôležité. Dobre. Našli sme Straussa. No, a teraz sa tu nedostať do nekonečnej slučky. Dobre.
Hello, Neonate. How can I be of assistance? Of course. Gargoyles? Why are you asking about gargoyles? What can I tell you about them? A gargoyle, put simply, is a creature that was created to protect the Tremere clan in the early years of our existence. They are very powerful and not to be trifled with. Yes. We used our extensive knowledge of blood magics to create a race of protectors. They served that purpose well, but they have also caused many problems. It's a complicated issue. Well, many gargoyles still serve the Tremere masters, but a number of them have since rebelled and gone into hiding. They are a sentient race, but ultimately unfit for the freedom they desire. They need the guidance of their former masters. Yes, I know something of gargoyles, and of this gargoyle in particular. I had hoped that he would meet his final death, but it seems my creation still lives to torment me. Yes. Many years ago, I created this gargoyle to protect the Chantry from our enemies. He was a faithful servant and saved my life more than once. Unfortunately, he became increasingly upset about his role as my protector and wished to be set free. I refused to do so. Finally, he stole away into the night, and I haven't seen him since. Isaac Abrams. His disrespect for the Camarilla is surpassed only by his hatred of LaCroix. If he finds out, it will be a source of great embarrassment for the clan and the Camarilla. He cannot learn that this gargoyle was my creation. Do you understand? Ah, I see that you've learned well. Despite the indiscretions of your sire, you are proving to be an asset for the clan. I commend and thank you, Neonate. Here, take this. It is an ancient ward that may help you on your battle with the gargoyle. You need only carry it on your person to enjoy its protection. With much difficulty, I'm afraid. Gargoyles are notoriously resilient. Their hides are made of stone. Firearms will be almost useless. Blunt force is the only thing they understand.
OK, takže dostali sme nejaký amulet, ktorý nám uľahčí boj s gargoylom. A dozvedeli sme sa, že tohto gargoyla vlastne vytvoril Strauss, aby ho chránil, ale ten už ho zradil a vlastne mu utiekol. Nesmieme Izákovi prezradiť, že tohto gargoyla vytvoril Strauss, pretože v tom prípade by sme stratili jeho dôveru a nedostali by sme to ubytovanie v tremerskej lóži, ale takisto by sme potom ku koncu hry si nemohli vybrať jeho stranu.
Going somewhere?
Ktorým smerom to bolo? Že by týmto smerom? Áno, to je dobrý smer.
Crush you, tear the flesh from your bones. Talk, no. Always kindred are talking, scheming, hurting others with their lies. Monsters you all, abominations, a curse upon the earth.
OK, myslím, že by bol dobrý nápad dať si Blood Shield. Viem, že Blood Theft asi na gargoyla moc fungovať nebude. Aj keď... No, niečo to spravilo. OK. Najúčinnejšia zbraň na gargoyla je toto kladivo. Tak ako povedal Strauss, vlastne hrubá sila. Blood Boil asi tiež nepôjde. Nemám na to ani krv. vytrvaní na Bloodbath. Ja myslím, že by som ho mohol poraziť aj bez použitia hocičoho. Bude dlhšie trvať. To nakoniec nebolo také ťažké. To sa dá ísť ďalej, dosť by ma zaujímalo, čo tam je. Vďaka tomu, že som to tu celé pozhadzoval, tak tam neviem dostať. Tak sa mi to podarilo predsa len. Zatvorené. No tak tu predsa len nič nie je. Aspoň to tak vyzerá. Poďme teda za Izákom povedať mu dobrú správu.
You head to Kingsway yet? I admit, I thought you'd come back here with a stone foot lodged in your backside, but I'm glad to see you've proved otherwise. You've got a lot of promise. It's a shame you're still working full-time for the wrong side. I'd like to hope so. Well, if you'll excuse me.
No, teraz by som mu v druhej možnosti mohol povedať, že ten Gargoyle je Straussov, ale to nechcem robiť, pretože tým by som zradil jeho dôveru. Ale môžem sa vrátiť za Straussom a tiež mu oznámiť dobrú novinu.
Where to?
Nie, toto je zlý smer.
Hello, Neonate. How can I be of assistance? Of course. You did. That's quite an accomplishment for one so young, Neonate, and with discretion as well. Again, you impress me. And your efforts are well appreciated. Please accept this gift as payment for your accomplishment. The Tremere clan appreciates your confidentiality. Yes, indeed. You have more than proven yourself, and I have spoken of you to my lord. He and I both agree that you would be a great asset to the clan. It means that you are welcome to join the Chantry as an apprentice. As a result, you will live here in a room of your own and enjoy the luxury and privacy it affords you. Do you accept this honor, neonate? I knew that I was right about you. Welcome to the Pyramid, my apprentice. Your things have already been moved from your haven in Santa Monica. They are upstairs waiting for you. I am also aware of your ghoul. She is a questionable distraction in my opinion, but she will be welcome here.
Okay, takže, ako som predpokladal, dostali sme možnosť bývať túto. Thaumaturgical creatures. Ale z tohto sa žiadne skúsenosti získať nedá. Čo sme dostali za talizmán? Toto. Plus 1 do obratnosti, to je fajn. Myslím, že mám armor, ktorý mi zase z obratnosti uberá, takže sa to vzájomne ruší. Sakríš. Poďme sa pozrieť do nového bytu.
Master? Okay. Master?
Occult power up. Thaumaturgical damage 140%. To znamená, že disciplíny budú ešte účinnejšie ako doteraz. Môžem pozrieť e-maily. Ale vidím, že nič ďalšieho tu nie je. Ani tu. Pritom by som prisahal, že za tú prácu s diskreditovaním jednej reštaurácie by mal Lacroix ešte zaplatiť a nespravil tak. Aspoň tak si to pamätám. Dobre, myslím, že skúsim jeden veľmi hnusný postranný quest. Čiže ten na cintoríne. Chcelo by to doplniť krv. Môžeme skúsiť tento klub. Obávam sa, že tá zvádzacia schopnosť stále nebude dostatočná. Pozrime sa... Kde to je Seduction 3? Tak sem by som ešte mohol dať bod.
Do I know you? Yeah, I think we should see other people. Immediately, and never look back, or look or speak to each other ever again. Yes. I tell you when hell freezes over, but there's always that chance that it might. So, let me just go with the definite no way in hell.
Počkaj, tieto hodinky som už raz zobral. To bude asi nejaká chyba.
Whoa there, Sugar Puss. Might want to think about knocking next time I damn near blew your head off. Thought you might be a zombie. Who else would be waltzing in here in the middle of the night? Name's Romero. I'm the caretaker here. Well, that is, I don't exactly keep people from getting in, although that is part of my job. No, you see, I'm here to make sure nothing gets out. See, it's like this. Every night around this time for the past, several months now, the dead have been getting up with an itch to stroll down Hollywood Boulevard. Nobody knows why, but they're working on it. Till they figured out they needed a volunteer to patch the problem, and I stepped forward. Problem temporarily solved, the Baron's happy, I get to shoot zombies, and guarantee I get my blood for another month. I've carved out a nice niche here. Shoot them, blow them away, frag them, whatever the situation calls for. Sometimes I throw in chopping and dicing, just to mix it up. Who knows? Vampire necro hoodoo, toxic waste, solar radiation. The important part is, they continue to rise up, and I get to put them down. Everybody's a winner. You're telling me. As far as I know, I'm the only person around Hollywood who considers marksmanship an art. A lot of the stiffs around here used to be asshole celebrities, too. Bonus. I love my job, what can I say? By the way, hey, you wouldn't be interested in watching the place while I go handle some business, would you? I'm not supposed to leave, or it might end up in a zombie holocaust or something. Like one time these goths snuck in. Ooh, wasn't pretty. You know, I know you're technically dead and all, but god damn, you're one striking looking piece of ass. Where were you when you were still breathing, huh? I don't suppose you'd still be interested in a little, business, right. I was thinking I'd head up to the Strip and look for a dance partner for the old naughty tango. But, you're kind of giving me the hot, want to save me a trip?
Tú tretiu možnosť som ešte neskúšal, neviem, či vôbec sa mi taká možnosť v rozhovore naskytla.
Really? I mean, really? Just don't bite it, alright? What? I mean my neck. I knew you'd be back. Couldn't stop thinking about me, could you? I like where this is going. What's on your mind?
Ale moc života nemá. Ale to je asi chyba. Jasné. Ámo full. A 9 mm náboje, dobre. Tak to je paráda. To som ani nevedel, že z tohto questu sa dá tak jednoducho vyhovoriť. On je ten quest dosť otravný, chodia tam vlny zombíkov. Treba ich sundávať, ale je veľmi ťažké ustrážiť všetky brány a takto je to veľa jednoduchšie. Dobre, ale myslím, že na dnes je to všetko. A na budúce buď poriešim nejaké vedľajšie questy v downtowne, alebo pôjdem už konečne sa pozrieť do Kingsway, do toho strašidelného domu.